Hello everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we are going to be listing off a tier list of top 100 games. There's probably going to be like a part 2, you know? So, we're going to start off with BioShock. A lot of these are, I have not tried the game, because I have not tried the game. I'm just gonna go. Now Uncharted 4, I really want to play, but I haven't tried the game yet. A lot of these games I have not tried, so sorry. Let me just get this all done. Batman Arkham City. I've played that. Let me just. So, this is completely my opinion on everything, but it's a masterpiece. I mean, Batman Arkham City is a flippin' masterpiece. Uncharted 3. Well, Uncharted 3 is bad. No, I'm joking. It is great. No, I'm sorry if there's like a lot of ads up there or something. Star Wars 2, it's a classic. So that means you know I'm gonna rank this. It's amazing. Not masterpiece, but it's amazing. A lot of them are on. I haven't tried the game, so I'm really sorry about that. But I haven't played that much games. Ooh, this game. Wait, where did it go? It's Shadow War, I think. I've played that and it's great. I feel like it's really good. Whoa! Okay, there's a lot more games I haven't tried. Assassin's Creed Odyssey, I think. Or is that Blacking? I don't know, but this game looks, it was okay. Some of you might get mad, but it's completely my opinion. And on part 2, I might change. Mortal Kombat 11. Well, funny thing is, you know, I've had this game for only a couple days now. And it's already a masterpiece. I got Melina, Rain, and Rambo the best. I swear to God. God of War, I haven't played that much. I have like played a tiny bit of it, but not enough that I can rank it, kind of, if you know. Far Cry 5, or is that 3? 3. It was okay. Okay, Tetris. Okay, so Tetris is this is all my opinion, by the way. Okay, moving on. Fortnite. You guys are gonna get a little mad. This is my opinion. It's okay. Everybody in the comments, what the? Okay, for real. It is like not my kind of game, if you know what I mean. probably might not. Grand Theft Auto 5. Funny thing is, I beat story mode. And I'm online. So you see, it is great. The game is great. Injustice 2. Whenever I say a name, I'm good at that means I've played it. Not you. Okay, everyone, I am really sorry because, well, I actually did the video, but I accidentally paused. I think it should have saved. So basically, yeah, here's all the games. And I've realized that I'm not going to need a part 2 because every another one of them I have not played, so what's the point? And one day I'll probably end up doing my own, but I need to find out obviously how to do that. So okay, we got Assassin's Creed, Fortnite, Far Cry 3, Injustice 2 for good, and Skyrim. Very good, The Walking Dead. Great. Shadow War, Uncharted, Grand Theft Auto 5, Star Wars Jedi Fallen Order, Batman Arkham Knight, Star Wars 2, Tetris, Uncharted 2, The Sims 3, or 4, The Sims 3. No, The Sims 4. And Batman Arkham City. And, for Masterpiece, Batman Arkham City, Mortal Kombat 11, Minecraft, The Last of Us, and Roblox. Yeah, so this is all my opinion. And yeah. By the way, go subscribe to my sister, Kawaii Fizz. Also Billy. She might have changed her name, but search that up, go down. Not the most famous channel, but she's my sister. Yeah. So I'll see you next time, and tomorrow I might be doing a video. I'm doing a video on Roblox. Adopt me. I'm giving you a heads up. Bye. Hang on.